Yeah, that's got owned pretty much. I'm just gonna see how deep it is. It's not as deep as the road, but it's pretty bad. And as we move here, we see that the cul-de-sac got owned completely. I mean, wow. How you doing? And like, wow, there's the curb. And wow, the water is like knee high. It's more than knee high. Wow. So I think the gutters are flooded too. Alright, I'm approaching the gutters slowly. Wow, it's to my thighs right now. Okay, now it's going deeper. And whoa! Alright, here's the gutter. And apparently it's flooded too. And wow. That is some stuff right there. That is some stuff. That is some hardcore crap. You can see the curb through the water. It's pretty cool.